Where go the boats? New words for. Before we look at some new words, let's talk about the poem. What is the poem about?
It is about a little child. He or she is making boats from paper and putting the boats into the river one by one.
Then the child is thinking about where the river will take his boats.
Then he thinks that at some other place on the river, some other children will bring his boats to the shore.
Good. You explained the poem very well. Now, let us learn some new words in the poem. Do you know what a floating means?
Teacher, I know what floating means. It means moving on top of the water. Taranganari. But what is a floating?
It means the same, Sachin. Just that the poet wants to make it sound beautiful. So he says a floating. But remember, only poets can do that. When we speak, we should only say floating. A boating.
I know that boating means sailing, nauka vihar. What does a boating mean?
Like a floating, the poet makes up a boating because it sounds nice in the poem. But it means the same as boating. Ria, but remember, only poets can make up such words. We can't. What does the word castle mean?
A big house where a king or ruler lives. Killa or
Rajwada.
Remember, teacher, we learnt the word castle in the story about the golden fish in class 4.
Excellent, Priya. I am so happy you remember. What is foam?
Foam is made up of a lot of small bubbles that come together when water flows fast over rocks, like soap bubbles. In Marathi, we say face.
That's right, Jenny. What does castles of foam mean?
It means that the foam makes different shapes that look like castles.
Brilliant, Ruchi. You explained that very well. What is a mill?
A place where machines are used to grind lots of grain into flour. Chakki.
What is a valley, teacher?
Good question, Ria. A valley is land between hills or mountains. Dari. Now, who can tell me what ashore is?
Ashore means to the shore, and shore means the land along the river or sea. Here it means the bank of the river. Kinaryavar.
Very good, Ahmad. That was good, children. Now write these words and their meanings in your notebooks and learn them at home.